Hi students. So part of your homework was to do this discussion online on Canvas where you ask for advice. Many of you got confused and you gave yourself advice. You said, I should study harder. I should speak English with people on the streets. But that is not your homework. Your homework is to give a situation in your life. Explain a situation where you need advice. You are asking for advice. So remember in class, one situation we read about was a woman had a son. He didn't go to school. He didn't work. He had bad friends. The woman said, "This is my situation. What should I do?" So you are going to write a situation like that and ask for advice. So let me do an example for you. So I'm going to click reply. And I'm going to talk about one of my dogs. His name is Loki. My problem is that Loki barks a lot. I'm worried that my neighbors are getting angry. So I've only had Loki for a few months now, and I want to keep him, but I'm not sure I can because I don't want my neighbors to complain and I don't want to get kicked out of the building. So that's the situation. And then at the very end, remember, I have to say one of these sentences about asking for advice. So I'm going to choose the second one. What do you think I should do? Okay, so I hope that makes it a little more clear. Remember the requirements here is that you write about the situation in 3 to 5 sentences, and then you ask for advice. Don't answer. All right, thanks.